What's going on, YouTubers? EC coming at you with an update from Southern Indiana. Welcome, folks. I only do this because I love you guys, because no normal person would. So, we're going to take a quick trek out in the snow here. Just to give you an idea, I'm on my porch. This is the first time stepping out here since the storm started, and I do not even know where we're at on a scale of snow right now. Oh, shoot. But to give you an idea just how bad it is, look at this, folks. And we still have 8 hours to go of this. The yard, everything's drifted. That's our road there. Right out there has not been touched. Just look at that. But it is beautiful, though. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. And, well, there's a good idea. Here, take a look at my truck. I'm freezing right now. I should have put my overalls on. Look at this, everyone. This is a drift here. Now, this will put it into perspective, guys. Look at that drift beside my tire. That tire is, I think, 18 or 19 inches, and that drifted to the top. Holy crap. And you can see my neighbor's trailer there. It's drifted against his home. We have snowfall going on for the next 8 hours, 8 to 12. With what we have right now, we're looking at 16 to 18 inches of snow. Nobody was expecting it to really happen, but I can tell you right now, from the ground, right now where we're sitting at, I'd say it's about 7 to 8 inches. So they're saying we'll have an inch per hour fall. So that's 16 inches, guys. Oh, my Lord. It's just hammering down. Now, one thing I will say is the temperatures went up. It's not as cold as it was. And it's making a great blanket for our mobile home. If you live in mobile homes, the snow can actually be good for insulation. Now, days following after this all happens, it's going to go down to negative 15 to negative 20 after the snowstorm passes, and that's when the danger of getting very cold is going to happen. So, all right. I'm winded, I'm cold, I'm out of breath. But there you have it, folks. This is a historical blizzard here in Indiana. Historical. First one, I think, in 25 years. If you can look over at my neighbor's trailer and just give you an idea of that drift on top of their home from the base where his metal is, right there. Okay, that drift is up to his pipe on his roof. That's how much snow is sitting on his roof right now. This is a major storm, folks. If you don't have to travel, don't travel. This is beyond what I expected to happen, to be honest. And we're only halfway through. So stay safe out there, everyone. Stay hungry and stay warm. Have a blessed day.